Your July Take and Make kit will include 2 pieces of 2.5 by 2.5 cardboard, 1 2 by 2 piece of cardboard, 1 cotton ball, brown yarn, white felt, and embroidery floss. You will also need a pen or a pencil, a black marker or a Sharpie, some tape, some glue, regular or tacky, and then a ruler will also be helpful. After you've gathered everything together, we can start putting together our s'more. We're going to start by making our graham crackers, and to do that, we're just going to draw a line down the middle of our cardboard. And then we're going to use our pencil to just push some dots like a graham cracker. After you have your graham crackers made, I'm going to take 1 graham cracker and push right in the middle, a little hole that goes all the way through. And then I'm going to take my embroidery floss and fold it in half. And then I'm going to push it through that middle hole. And then I'm going to use a piece of tape to just secure it on this side. Then I'm going to take my cotton ball and make my marshmallow by placing my cotton ball in the middle and wrapping the felt around and then gluing it into place. While my marshmallow dries, I'm going to make my chocolate by using the 2 by 2 piece of cardboard and the brown yarn. So I'm going to take the brown yarn and I'm going to tape it, starting point here. And then I am just going to wrap the cardboard with the yarn. And then at the end, I'm just going to take a little bit of glue and secure it in place. After I have all of my pieces of my s'more together, I can start to build it. So I'm going to put my bottom graham cracker down. Add some glue. Put on my chocolate. And take my marshmallow. My marshmallow is now attached to my chocolate. My chocolate is attached to my graham cracker. And then I'm going to take my top graham cracker and glue it right on top. And then I'm going to let it dry, and then I can put on my face. After our s'mores has dried completely, we can then add our face to our marshmallow. I'm just using a black Sharpie marker to make some eyes. And you can use whichever colors you would like. Happy s'more making! See you next time.